Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be a little controversial with the Ferrari, so stick around and I'll tell you all about it. The big question is, are you gonna keep your Ferrari completely original or are you gonna go for some updates? I chose to go for some updates on this car, but this is because I'm using it for events like weddings and company events and so I wanted to look a little more modern. I had the rims changed for the Novitec and I have a different exhaust from Capristo on it, so it's not quite original anyway, so now I'm gonna go for some updates and I hope it's gonna look great. But let me fill you in on it. This is the particular part I'm going for today, and I'm gonna change it to this one. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna start out with some masking tape to protect the rear bumper, and then I'm gonna remove some screws. There are 10 screws on this grille from the inside that I have to remove, and hopefully it's gonna be an easy job. So, it came off. Well, that should pretty much do it. So now it's just to check if the whole thing's connected in the right way, and then hopefully just remove the masking tape. Now it's all done, and as you can see, it's a bit darker than when I started. It's nothing about me taking longer than I expected. It's just because we are in the northern hemisphere, of course, something like that. But anyway, the grille is on, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. But let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care.